Welcome to LoadMaster. Today we will learn how to start a new loading by LoadMaster. Open the Google Chrome and enter our website f.johnson.com. After logging in, the browser will jump to the task page. You can choose an appropriate task type according to your demands and click in. Now let's continue with the case. Here is the cargo data. You can see that there are three types of cargos. The load orientation is only the height is vertical to the ground, just as the picture shows. That is, only stand and stand rotate are allowed. We need to calculate how many containers will be used and what type of container is more suitable for loading. Now let's begin. According to the loading requirements, the task type loading container multiple cargos should be selected and click to enter. And then the browser will jump to the page of basic information. You can cite the task name and task description in this page. Then we come to next stage, add cargos to the task. When there are only a few of cargo types, you can add them one by one through by add cargo directly add. Click the plus button to add the cargo information. Add the name, quantity, length, width, height of the cargo. And for the loading requirement, is that only stand and stand rotate are allowed, so we should uncheck other four orientations. In the same way to add the other two cargos. After finishing, we come to next stage, add container. We can add containers by import from database, and then select the commonly used 40 HQ and 40 GP and 20 GP. The system will select the most suitable containers from these three containers. And then we should add the container attributes, such as the size of corner castings and reserved size. For the detailed information of cargo casting and reserved size, you can click here to get the guidance documentation. Then we come to next stage, set loading rules. If there is no special loading demands, we need to change the default rules in this page. Finally, optimize the loading plan. You can see just a few seconds after the calculation is completed, we can see the container list on the left. By clicking on the container name, we can view the three-dimensional load diagram. There is a play button in the upper left corner of the three-dimensional image. You can check the loading steps step by step. You can also view container from some specific directions, such as top view and back view. Clicking on the loading block, you can see the cargo name, load orientation, stacking method, which includes the number of rows, columns, layers, and the total quantity, and the cargo size, space, range, and other parameters of this loading block. Below the play button, you can choose whether to show the cargo name or the COG view in the three-dimensional diagram. You can see the quantity, cargo volume, volume usage rate, weight and weight usage rate, and the supplies of length, width, height direction in the lower left corner of the figure. The right side of the figure are the cargo statistics, loading steps, and the balance analysis of the current container. Click Generate Loading Report to make packing list and custom declaration. After the audit of loading plans, click the Share Task. You can view the loading steps on your mobile phone to get on-site loading or share the loading plans with colleagues and customers. For more details, you can refer to the guidance documentation or other video tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.